Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will be guiding you on how to add timestamp on your photos in iPhone. So let's start. For this, what I want you to do is go and open your app store and on the search bar type for date stamper. Select date stamper which appears on the first, install it, and now after you have it installed, go and open your app, then allow the access as you like. Tap on any photos that you want to add timestamper on. Here, let me just select a random photo. After that, on the top right near the delete icon, you will see a stamp option. Tap on it and there you go. Now you will have your photo stamped. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.